Hello everyone. Today I have three stocks that I'm looking on that I'm pretty bullish on. The first one is McDonald's. Before I even go into any of them, I would like to talk about the futures. Right now it's 6 a.m. March 3rd from March 1st, 2020. Futures are down around almost 1% from close. So this could be a very bearish open. This could be a very bloody day. But that is not all negative because that does give good opportunity to buy these. So the first play that I was going to go into, or that I still am, is McDonald's. So McDonald's, it has a gap and it's already begun to fill this. But the RSI is very high and well, it's not very high, but it is above average, and there is a short signal on Stoch RSI. And Stoch RSI is essentially short-term RSI. So I would keep that in mind. So I think if there is a bearish open, which there most likely will be, it could reset the Stoch RSI and the normal RSI, which could lead us for a very nice bullish gap. And another play I'm looking at is Bank of America. Bank of America is also bullish. I would recommend playing probably a call or a call debit spread, not a put credit spread. And that's because with a call debit spread, for more volatile plays like this, you'd want a call debit spread or just a normal call. With more stable, lower plays that are longer, you'd probably want to put credit spread. So, with this one, with Bank of America, I was going to actually talk about it, but it just gapped down. Wow, just as I'm recording this, it gapped down. So, I didn't realize this before, but there are now two gaps which are pretty bullish. So, the RSI is reset. Before, like, the Stoch RSI was pretty high, the normal RSI was above average. Now I'm pretty bullish since it's already down 2% pre-market. So it would not be a bad buy. Especially, maybe you could buy it towards the end of the day for less risk. I will be posting updates about all of these on my Twitter. So go follow that. It's Malve Finance. It's linked in my about page. So with Bank of America, you could see a bullish open, maybe a bit of a morning rally, but there will probably be a bit more depth to come in the morning. And then maybe in the next few coming days, and I'm going to buy contracts not expiring this week, but expiring next week, because I feel like by then, probably both of these, at least the first one will, and even if it just fills the first gap, we'll still be banking. And the last play I'm looking at is Goldman Sachs. And Goldman Sachs is very bullish because there is yet another gap, but there is one problem with Goldman Sachs, which is why McDonald's will be the main play for this week, main swing play at least, is that it's very far away from the gap. It's around 1.6% away from the, which is why I might even get contract next week or 2 weeks out, just because of how far away it is. But most of my plays this week will be very short-term, quick day trades and scalps that I will be posting and alerting all for free on my Twitter, which is linked in my YouTube about page. So go follow there. And also, right before I end off the video, I would like to talk about the conflict in Ukraine. So that could be a big factor, a big catalyst. So if you hear any Ukraine news that is significant, I'd recommend just selling everything and waiting until it's priced in, or maybe it'll get priced in so fast we won't have time to sell. But either way, that is out of our control, but realize that there is a big factor of risk entering during a conflict like. Anyways, if you like what you see, like the video and subscribe for more. And if you have any questions or want to see any updates, please DM me on Twitter or comment something on my Twitter, and I'll see you guys next time.